My new M1 Air stinks, but let me explain. All right, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit different video. I just want to go ahead and show people what happened to me. So if you experience the same thing, you don't do the same thing I did. I recently bought the MacBook Air. You're going to see my, the M1 version. You're going to see my videos in the past. Go ahead and check those out. Do a bunch of videos on stuff. So I got this, and this is actually my second one. And why does this stink? It's not what you think. It's definitely not what you think. It's a great system, phenomenal, super fast, opens everything up fast, video editing, websites, you name it. Great machine, M1 Air base model. But why does it stink? I mean, it literally stinks. And let me explain what happened to me. So I went ahead, and this is the second one I got. I went ahead and I bought the M1 Air, and I get it home. And let me go ahead and take a look at this. So I get it home, and here's this situation. I open the box, and as soon as you open the box, I get hit with this incredible stench of maybe mold or something to that effect. I didn't know what it was. It was just really, really powerful. Hit me really, really strongly. So at first I thought maybe, ooh, the battery might be going bad. I've never smelt this, or maybe it was sitting in water somewhere and it's moldy. Had a very bad kind of initial. I've never had that before. I actually used to have it wasn't an M1, but it was an i5 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. I still have it, but long story short, the smell was great. I mean, it smelled like new electronics. You're like, wow, this is great. This smelled swampy. So what I did is I basically thought, well, geez, is it the battery? And I was worried, so I separated it. But really what happened is I narrowed it down to being this white cable that comes with the machine. It was wrapped up at the time, and I could, it still smells like, oh wow. And it makes your eyes water. But basically this cable here is the culprit. I smelled everything else. The charging little block here, nothing. The actual computer itself, after a while, that smell of this rubbed off on everything in the box, but it smelled a little bit the computer, but I didn't think it was the computer. So I go back and I take it back to Best Buy where I bought it from. Talking to the techs, he smells the cable. He kind of doesn't get the exact same reaction I had. I mean, it's super strong. But in any case, he brings over somebody else that works at Best Buy, and they go, well, we think you should really replace the whole system. We think the battery might be bad, and we don't want your house to burn down. That's what they said. I'm like, well, I don't think that's the case, number one. I hope it would never happen, number two. But he's like, just to be safe, let's just replace the whole system. Of course, I've already built the system out. I already had it done hours of work on it, what have you. I had it the way I wanted, had some data on it. So it's not the funnest process. So I go, okay, this is a terrible experience. Wherever I put this cable, it stinks up the entire room. I had it in the basement, in the garage. I had it everywhere. So but once they tell me to replace the computer, if something happens and I feel like they'll tell me, Apple will say, well, we told you to replace it. So I did. So I went ahead and I replaced it. Waited like a week to get the new system in with no computer again. I couldn't do any reviews on it. System comes in, brand new box, brand new. Open it up, all the cellophane and everything like that. Open it up, same smell. I narrowed it down to this cable. It's this damn cable. It's not the best. And let me go ahead and put it over here. So that thing stinks wherever I put it. I can put it in the garage. I can put it out. It'll make the whole house smell. I've verified it with other people in the house. It's something that needs to be stuck in a bag for now. Maybe it'll dissipate later. I think it's something to do with the plastic. It smells almost toxic to me, like it's going to cause some kind of damage to my lungs or something. My eyes water. And the computer seems fine. The second one seems fine again. I already built out the second one. This is the second cable. So the moral of the story is a couple of things. I want to ask people out there, have you guys had the same experience? If you're watching the video, you may have had the exact same experience. So I'm guessing, if you found this video, maybe it's you that has the same problem. How many people out there have had this issue? Because it has to be widespread. It's 2 in a row. My other MacBook didn't have it though. This is the new M1 Airs, but it's so bad that you cannot deny it. I mean, even if I open this box now, it infected the entire box. My eyes are still watering right now because I have this cable on me. I don't know what's on the cable, but we've kind of narrowed it. It can't be the machine, not 2 of them in a row. And I just want to see if anyone out there has the same issue. Please post your comments below so I can definitely, I want people to know this is an issue. I love Apple products. You spend a lot of money for them. You expect a good experience. Probably going to have to go to Best Buy and just say, give me a new cable. I don't want a new system. Just give me a cable out of a separate one that you can buy separately, and I'm going to give you this one, and we'll walk away from it. But when you spend that much money on a device, it should be perfect, and this is not, definitely not. So I did find another cable in the meantime when I was having the issue. It's from Uni. UNI, and I'll put a link in the description. This is a braided cable. It's awesome, and it works perfectly for charging the MacBook. I'll have some close-ups of it in a second, but it's basically a lot better made than the Apple one, it seems like, and it's like 10 or 11 bucks. I'll have a description in Amazon if you want to check this out. This channel makes a small portion of it, but that's not why I'm trying to push it. I'm just saying, like, if you wanted a cable that matches better, it for sure doesn't smell, this is the one I've tried and it works great. So in any case, the moral of the story is, let me know what you guys put in the comments. I want to know if anyone else had this issue. To me, it's important to know because, I mean, people are spending tons of money and this experience isn't the best. And I really think it should be better here. So hopefully Apple will fix it. And if it's just me, if I'm 2 out of 1 billion people, you know, there's got to be more out there. So let's post it in here and let's find out if this is a widespread problem. Talk to you soon. Peace.